What's up, diecast community? Red Eye 247 Hot Wheels. Well, I got something a little different. I want to say this is diecast, but man, these cars aren't even made out of diecast. These cars are plastic. I found a couple of more. Didn't find there's 12 altogether. I found 10. I wasn't able to find all 12, so I figured I'd open them up and just show them to you. I opened up 2 already, but I think you guys kind of have an idea. I can't zoom. I don't know if it's gonna let me zoom in. It's gonna be these samurai racers. I did a small short on them, but why not? Let's just show some off. So I'm gonna throw these on here and show you guys what they look like. Pretty much all plastic. Nothing's die cast on these. Plastic tops, plastic bottoms, pretty much. But the only thing I really like about these, some of them are pretty nice. Cars are pretty sweet looking. The tampos are pretty nice. That's pretty much it. I think I said before in the previous video, $1.47, and you're buying that for $1.47. That's pretty crazy. Hot Wheels are, I guess, the king of cars. Matchbox king of cars. What I was gonna say, $1.20 compared to $1.47. These are all plastic. Yeah, it's kind of crazy. I got on eBay just to see what they were running on eBay. Jeez, man, these people are going crazy. I mean, they're scalpers are gonna scalp, I guess. But let me see if I can show this to you here. I'm gonna try to zoom in because I got this trying to go in on my 4K camera. So we're just gonna try this out. Let's see if that does anything. That's a little close there. Like I said, they're pretty cool looking. I don't know, this is supposed to be like a Camaro or something, but they look pretty cool. If I were to say, if you want to buy them and play with them, yeah, you let little kids play with them, they're gonna probably trash them. Like I said, they're plastic. They're not all that. Let me go back out of here. They're not all that, but for what they are, they're gonna be that, I guess. Second car opened up right there. This one's pretty cool. Like I said, their tampo work is pretty cool. I dig some of the tampos on these. They look pretty nice. And if they could put them, I guess you could say, on metal. Oop, that one's trying to run off. I don't know. This little holder thing I got here, it's little crooked. So I don't know if it's going to hold these cars any good. But let me see if I can zoom in on this one too. Which they look pretty cool. Like I said, I mean, man, had they done something better with them, I guess they would. I don't know. I'm for $1. I mean, if Hot Wheels can make a die-cast car and for $1.20, and these guys can't even for $1.47 and give you all plastic, it's just still crappy. And they roll, but some roll a little wonky. So a couple of those roll a little lumpy, but I wasn't going to open these. I was going to keep them carded just to keep them in the drawer, and you never know, but I just figured out, like, you know what, we'll just crack them. So I figured I'd just crack them and show the cars. Like I said, some of these are pretty cool looking, man. Let me see, man, if I could just get some of these to stay. I don't know if that's supposed to be like a Porsche. That's what it looks like, but I'm going to quit talking. I'm just going to try to play some music and let you guys enjoy this show. Here we go.
then scrub them down with a fight club soap. Hold the folk with a hope, flat broke when they spoke. That fire that they stoke made the smoke, made them choke. So they sit and they soak till they suffer a stroke. When you're old and you croak. So,
you blow my mind.
no.
Through space and time, baby, you blow my mind. It's crazy, you blow my mind.
Well, there you have it, guys. Got some of them samurai racers, circuit samurai. Not sure what you guys take on these. Again, like I said, these are just all plastic cars, nothing die cast. But thought I'd give you something a little different. Gotta give you a little car show. Hope you guys enjoyed this one. Until the next one, I'm out. Peace.